Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to activate your GeneratePress theme. First, you will need to have a WordPress installation ready. We'll cover installing the free GeneratePress theme, then moving on to the GeneratePress Premium plugin. This ensures your website unlocks all the powerful design and performance features available. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, setting your site up for success. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Appearance menu, then select Themes. From there, click the Add New button at the top. In the search bar, type GeneratePress and press Enter. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. This establishes the foundational theme for your website, preparing it for the premium features. Next, you'll activate the GeneratePress Premium plugin. First, download the plugin file from your GeneratePress account area. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New, and click Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded file, install it, and activate it. Finally, navigate to Appearance, then GeneratePress, and enter your license key to unlock all premium modules. After entering your license key, verify its activation within the GeneratePress settings. You should see a confirmation that your license is active and valid. This step unlocks all premium modules, including the powerful Elements module and the extensive site library. Now, you are ready to explore and utilize the full potential of GeneratePress Premium to build and customize your website with advanced design options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.